ये भी खा लो।
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Yuvika Tyagi.
On which topic you have made your project?
Government budget and its components.
Okay. Why did you choose this topic?
Take your time.
Fine. What is budget?
Government budget is an annual financial statement showing the itemized estimates of the anticipated receipts and expected expenditures in any financial year.
When the budget is presented?
On first working day of February every financial year.
And who present the budget?
The team of Financial Ministry.
And who is our finance minister as of now?
Nirmala Sitharaman, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Can you be a bit loud?
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Okay.
Name any two objectives of government budget.
Reallocation of resources and economic stability.
What is the impact of COVID-19 on GDP?
On GDP.
GDP. It increases it or decreases it? Any impact?
Impact of government budget on
Impact
GDP.
of COVID-19.
COVID-19.
COVID-19 on GDP.
Impact of COVID-19 on GDP. Impact of COVID-19 has contracted GDP to an extent, and it also causes a It has caused a contraction in GDP and economic growth also. So please don't.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay, what is the major source of receipt for government? What is the major source of receipt for the
Revenue
government?
receipt or capital receipt.
Revenue receipt. What is the major source? Out of them, which is the major source?
Taxes.
Taxes. Can you define tax? Simple terms. Okay.
Tax is a compulsory legally. It is a legally compulsion imposed by the government on the residents of the country.
आपको लगता है कोई इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा अगर हम बजट ना इंट्रोड्यूस करें तो? अगर बजट ही ना आए तो उससे कोई फ़र्क पड़ेगा?
Yes.
क्या?
As far as budget is concerned, so it is the plan. It plans for the expected expenditures and receipts. So if there will be no budget, so things may the government will not be able to invest into the projects properly. Like they will not know about on which sector they have to spend what amount of funds or reallocation of resources.
Okay.
What is the unique in this current year budget apart from last year or previous year budgets?
As COVID as this year was faced many uncertainties like COVID-19. So COVID-19 has also reshaped budget very peculiarly, and most of the funds and reallocation of resources is invested in the health and related infrastructure, which was much awaited also. And as of this year, 1.6% of the GDP is expected to be allocated on the health sector.
Suppose government is incurring a lot of expenditure over vaccination program. So where this expenditure you would like to put it, under which head? of government budget?
Classifying it into capital receipt and
Capital expenditure or revenue expenditure?
capital. It would be included in capital expenditure.
Okay, why?
Recurring and non-recurring expenses.
Why are we supposed to present a budget every year? Not after 2 years, 3 years?
मतलब एक बार में भी तो बना सकते हैं अगले 2 साल के लिए, हर साल बनाने की क्या ज़रूरत है?
The budget has to be revised also, and it is made every year as to ensure a systematic spending and receipts for every year.
Okay.
What is fiscal deficit?
Fiscal deficit occurs when the total borrowings exceeds total revenues excluding borrowings.
What is the difference between primary deficit and fiscal deficit?
Fiscal deficit implies the whole borrowings, like borrowings required to meet expenditures, to bridge the gap between the total borrowings and total receipts. But primary deficit particularly implies on those borrowings which are required to meet the expenses other than interest on payments for the earlier borrowings.
Which deficit is also equals to borrowing? Which deficit? There are 4
financial-
deficits: budget deficit, revenue deficit, fiscal deficit, and primary deficit. Out of them, which deficit is equals to borrowing?
Fiscal deficit.
Fiscal deficit. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Primary deficit can also be equal to borrowings
When?
when interest payment will be zero.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Because of this COVID-19 and lockdown, our fiscal deficit increase or decrease? Just increase or decrease?
Fiscal deficit tends to increase.
Tends to increase. Okay.
What is the full form of COVID-19?
COVID-19.
No.
Any guesses? Try to break out it.
Okay. Why it is known as COVID-19 instead of COVID-20?
There must be some scientific reason.
Okay.
Maybe.
Okay. Thank you. सर आप फीडबैक दीजिए.
मैम रुक जाओ 1 मिनट.
आप बोलिए.
फिर देखो स्टार्टिंग में आपका कॉन्फिडेंस काफ़ी लो लग रहा था, धीरे धीरे आपने इम्प्रूव किया, तो एक तो कॉन्फिडेंस को थोड़ा सा बिल्डअप करो, है ना. आपको चीज़ें आती हैं बट स्टिल आप थोड़ा सा डर रहे थे, है ना, थोड़ा सा शिवर कर रहे थे. उसके अलग आपको बजट से रिलेटेड नॉलेज मैं कहूँगा ऑलमोस्ट ठीक है, बट जैसे मैंने अलग से पूछा कोविड-19 दीज आर जनरल थिंग्स राइट, जो आजकल चीज़ें चल रही हैं, तो उसके बारे में आपको थोड़ा सा पता होना चाहिए कि कोविड क्या है, कोविड की फुल फॉर्म क्या है, वो 19 क्यों है, 20 क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि वो 19 में आया था इसलिए वो कोविड-19 है 2019
December 2019 and COVID is coronavirus disease. Coronavirus disease.
Full form of COVID.
Yes.
Yeah, COVID is coronavirus disease, COVID-19, and because it was introduced in December 19, that's
The
why.
scientific name is SARS, SARS-CoV. The
Scientific name.
of COVID-19 is SARS, SARS-CoV, COVID.
Okay.
Okay. Then there's a question: which deficit equals to borrowing? You just have to say fiscal deficit. There can be primary deficit, जो आपने reason बताया, but आपको simply
Other आपने बोला था is also equals to
हाँ.
borrowing.
borrowing is also equals to fiscal deficit. That's it. इसके अलावा आपको ये रीज़न वो शायद नहीं समझेंगे इस बात को कि आप मतलब दे वोंट एक्सपेक्ट प्राइमरी डेफिसिट, दो यू गिव द राइट रीज़न बट वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करेंगे. दूसरा एक वैक्सीन का था, वैक्सीन पे जो एक्सपेंडिचर हो रहा है वो भले ही नॉन रीअकरिंग है बट ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं है. ज़रूरी है वैक्सीन तो हर साल लगाई जा सकती है. पोलियोज़ की वैक्सीन आज भी चल रही है, इवन वी आर सेइंग कि हम पोलियो फ्री हो गए हैं. दूसरी बात ये जो डेफिसिट्स जो ये एक्सपेंडिचर होते हैं इसकी बहुत नैरो डेफिनेशन है, रीअकरिंग नॉन रिकरिंग वाली। हमेशा आपको कोशिश करनी है ऊपर वाले हेड से कि अभी देखिए कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर इज नॉट क्रिएटिंग एनी एसेट, दिस वैक्सीन प्रोग्राम इज नॉट क्रिएटिंग एनी एसेट, इज नॉट रिड्यूसिंग एनी लायबिलिटी,
Not reducing
any liability. No. If we are giving doses to the people, then it has just like expenditure. तो दिस इज रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर। हाँ, हम कोविड-19 के वैक्सीन बनाने के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर पैसे खर्च करते, फैक्ट्री सेटअप करने में खर्च करते, देन इट केम अंडर कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर, दो वो रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर। हमने आपसे थोड़े से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, जनरली वो आपसे कम क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, हमने इसलिए ज़्यादा पूछे हैं ताकि ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन कवर आपके इसी क्वेश्चन के अंदर वो ज़्यादा आपसे पूछ लें। ठीक है, जनरली ठीक था, वो क्वेश्चन थोड़े से ठीक ही थे जो हमने पूछे भी थे आपसे।
और अपनी वॉइस को थोड़ा सा ना हाई रखा करो, अदरवाइज वो ऐसा लगता है कि आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है,
अभी
राइट?
तो डेट नहीं आई ना वहाँ से।
first week of April most probably.
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
चलो क्लोज कर दो इसको।